you guys? It's your girl Chelsea-Alana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today's video we are going to be focusing on the doors hair extensions that I'm going to be installing in today. You guys know I have been doing wigs for the past couple months to really grow my hair back and give my hair some time to revitalize and rejuvenize. But now, girl, it is the summertime. It's the summertime in New York and it's the summertime in Miami, so we acting bad. So I needed my Remy tape-in extensions by Doors to be installed ASAP. So these extensions are made with luxurious 100% cuticle intact human hair that can last up to 9 months. So these tape-ins are like the most requested semi-permanent method in salons worldwide. It is suitable for everyone and even has a thin attachment surface, which gives a natural result for every hairstyle, hair texture, whatever you want to say. So the ones I have in right now, they have multiple colors in it. It's 4, 27, and 4 blended in. I had kind of a highlight situation because you guys know that my hair is growing out. And so I know that I wanted my roots to be darker while still adding a little bit of blonde. I have not decided to let the blonde go just yet. I don't know what it is. I know I need to go back to black. However, I feel like when I wear all black hair, I look very, very pale, and I do not find that attractive. So I'm trying to keep the lighter colors so my skin keeps that brownish glow. So in each one of the packagings comes 20 tape-ins per pack, and it also comes with 6 replacement tapes, and it even comes with some lashes, child. Okay, you're getting a little bang for your buck. And so I'm wearing 3 packs of hair, which honestly I did not know if it was going to be enough. It's 22 inches, which is about 50 grams per pack, so about 150 grams in total. And so I was actually really nervous to see if it was going to be enough hair, but clearly if I'm doing the review, that means I am wearing the hair. I mean, you see the thumbnail. Clearly the hair was thick, honey. So one thing I love about Doors Remy hair compared to other tape-in extensions is because Doors Remy hair is from one donor, which means it's not a mismatch paddywhack type of hair. You know what I'm saying? It's good quality, and the hair scales the same in both directions. There's a lot of discrepancy when it comes to extensions, and that's why sometimes you'll order a certain length of hair in one brand and another brand, and they look like 2 different lengths just because the strands are not as authentic as they probably should be. Another reason why I love this hair is because it's not dry. It doesn't look, it's moisturized, honey. There's no split ends. No, it's thick all the way down to the bottom. It's super soft, smooth, and that's really what's going to help maintain a longer lifespan for your hair. It's 100% human hair, so it can be dyed, styled, colored, cut, curled, all that. And like I said, it has really thick ends, so no knots, no splittings. Like I said, for me, for super thickness, you need 3 to 4 packs. And if you extra, when I first started getting tape-ins, I wanted that Dolly Parton bigger than life type hair. That is 5 and up. That's a little bit eccentric. However, for every day, to make it look as natural as possible, 3 to 5 packs should be good. So I have my hairstylist's information in the description box below. She is located in Miami, as well as the description links and the coupon code for the hair in the box below. So if you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe, and if you are returning and you enjoy the video, please give a thumbs up. Now make sure to watch all the way to the end so you can be amazed by how fabulous I look, child.
It's my regular. I'm talking things for better now. Things for better now. We've been down. It's my regular. I'm talking things for better now. Things for better now. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, it goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer, $4-5, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Don't play with them, don't play with them, don't play with them. Yes, so as you can see, my hair is coming out fabulous. It's super thick. Like I said, the description links will be in the box below. Please make sure to show my hairstylist some love. If you are in South Florida, make sure to check her out. Her style sheet will be in the description, so book her for your tape-ins. It's always a better bet to get your tape-ins professionally installed. I was contemplating whether or not I should install the tape-ins by myself. However, you can't really see the placement of your hair in the back, no matter if you have mirrors, whatever the case may be. So you want to make sure that you have a professional licensed hairstylist putting in your tape-ins. Like I said, these are semi-permanent extensions, and so if they are not installed properly, which means they will probably be uninstalled improperly as well, and that can cause hair loss and things like that, and you do not want that. You want your real hair to be flourishing under your weave, so make sure to have it installed by a licensed professional. just so you can have someone to blame if it doesn't come out great. Yeah! So like I said, description links will be in the box below. Coupon code will be in the box below. Make sure to comment the same way you guys comment all the time when you don't like my hair, and tell me how much you love my hair, because my hair looks so super fabulous. You see how she is combing all the way to the bottom, girl. It's giving bottom. So like I said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Dame besos.